Well, hello, here we are with the new Samsung Galaxy R, the small brother of Samsung Galaxy S2. So let's do a quick unboxing of it. Samsung Galaxy R, it comes with metallic gray color. Okay, it has super clear LCD screen, Android technology, Wi-Fi, DVX HD, and a dual core 1 GHz processor, 5 megapixel camera, etc. And the main thing is that it has 150 mAh battery. It's a very large battery. So let's see what's in the box. And also it has 8 GB of built-in memory. Let's see. Okay. The new Samsung Galaxy R. It's very nice design. It's sleek quality. Okay, 4-inch screen, super clear LCD. Okay. Oh, it has a stereo headset, 3.5 mm jack, a charger. Okay, it also belongs to the earphones, a USB cable, and I put the battery inside. Okay, let's see. It has a very nice screen, 4-inch, super LCD, very nice wallpaper. Okay, the power button, the camera, 5 megapixel with flash, a speaker, 3.5 mm jack, and the volume keys. So my dears, it was a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy R. Thanks for watching.